So she is an RN and
Mhm.
NCLEX passer. So for our students or aspiring students, kailangan ba aligned ang background doon sa program na kukunin nila at Mohawk, or probably graduate ako ng nursing pero wala
Mhm.
na akong experience.
Mhm.
Di rin ako clinical nurse or whatever.
Yeah.
Pwede ba akong mag-digital health?
Ma'am Kat, yan ang kagandahan ng Kanata because they really assess the, you know, the, what do you call this,
Profile
the
ng student.
profile of a prospective student because one size does not fit all. Iba-iba talaga. Different folks, different strokes. So for
Ate,
this,
dami ko natutunan sa yung
diba, mga quotable quotes.
quotable quotes.
So, yeah, you gave me a different
Dapat
scenario.
sama natin dito si Francis. May panlaban ako. Wala akong
Talaga
panlaban
ba?
eh.
Ano,
Oo.
like what? Example? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, mga gano'n.
Ay, Miss Gold lang ang alam ko.
So, talaga, yan, classic example yung binigay mo sa akin. But that would open a different discussion. But specifically for Janine, this is more really of really thinking outside the box. Because other Filipinos would just be complacent na, ay, nurse, practical nursing na lang ako. But girl, your situation is different. You're an RN, you're a professor pa, and kami lang talaga may digital health which incorporates technology, business, and healthcare.
Yeah.
All fused into one.
Mhm.
So, nag-work talaga yung magic ng program na talagang nag-fit talaga siya sa kung anong kailangan mo